Hey guys, Fred Voccola, Chairman and CEO of Simpro. Some super exciting news. We've recently announced that we've acquired one of the most innovative AI-first software companies in the world, Delight, and I'm here with the co-founder of Delight, and Will's going to tell you all about Delight and how Delight will help our customers substantially grow their revenue and maintain positive relationships with their customers. So Will, tell us about your company.
So Delight is an AI-powered engagement platform built specifically for the trades. It helps them stay connected to customers by following up with service opportunities, following up on aging assets, other ways that they can enhance the relationship and get tighter with their customers. We're all about driving efficiency and profitability for the trades, and we're excited to continue that journey with Simpro.
Great, we're super excited. Will, the company builds outstanding. Everyone should check out Delight. Talk to your Simpro account managers. It's something you all should look at. It can help your business. Best of luck and see you soon. Thanks.